Hi and welcome back to another episode of Up the Shed. This week we're looking at renovating a pair of bolt croppers for a resident that lives local to me. He approached me about 4 or 5 days ago now and asked if I would be interested in giving him a clean up, which obviously I gladly will do. So if you haven't already, guys, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let's get you into the bench. Okay, well, as you can see, we've got a pair of bolt cutters here, bolt croppers. These are made by Record, and can't really see, it looks like possibly the number 918, it looks there. Obviously in quite a sorry state really, they obviously haven't been used for quite a while, but they do move, which is a good start. So we can pull all this apart. Looking at this and the way it is made, I would say that I potentially got to get these apart and get these pins out, but we can make some of those on the lathe, so that's another little bit there we can do. And the same with these like little bumpers here. Now they do move, looks like the washer is moving, so again we can make a see, you know, how that comes apart, and we can just pin over the end. So again, another little thing to, another little project there. But for the main part, it looks like the jaws are fairly okay. There's a slight gap there, but I don't think we'll worry too much about those. I think he just wanted them to look nice maybe, and obviously I don't mind, it gives me some more content. But obviously we'll get it cleaned up, we'll get it stripped down, get them cleaned, and then get them in the blast cabinet and see where we go from there, whether we replace pins and how far we strip it down. But yeah, so I'll get some tools out, get some gloves on, and let's start stripping it down. Fantastic. Okay, so after a bit of wrangling, the jaws have come apart. It does help if you take the retaining clip off first that hold the nuts in place. Live and learn. So with these we've got a left and a right hand thread, which is quite good to know. Centre pin. So as I say, I'll get the disc grinder on these, I suppose, and we'll just grind these pinned over pins down, or best we can. And I think we'll do the same, unless these will just push out, which I don't think they will. I believe they are solid. I think they've been pinned over both sides, but we'll have a look at that and get these out and then get these apart, and then we can get all the parts just cleaned up a little bit and into the media blaster. So what I'll do, I'll spend some time getting these apart, and then I'll bring you back just to have one final look over everything. Okay. Surprising what a nice fresh coat of paint does to a tool, really. If the vice was anything to go by, this should come out really nice. Right, so I need to work out how I'm going to bloody hold these now. Let's try. Okay. As I found with a lot of record tools, the parts that no one ever sees are painted as well. Just goes that little bit extra, you know, just to ensure surfaces are coated and it's going to last, you know. So I'm going to do exactly the same. Well, as best I can anyway. Okay, well, one down, 3 more bits to go. So I'll get these done off camera, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to machine these. I'll get some. These aren't hardened; they're just mould steel. So we'll get some mould steel mounted in the lathe, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to start machining those. Okay. Right, well, as you can see, we're back at the bench. All the pins that I've needed, I've made off camera. Second coat has been done to the parts that needed painting, and I've cleaned out all the threads with an old tap. Luckily I found one, so let's get it back together. And during the process of putting that together, obviously I'm going to have to paint over some of these. Something I've never done before, so I'm hoping it goes well. If not, then these particular pins I might actually remake in 2 parts, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, as I say. Well, that's the end of the episode. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me renovate those pair of bolt croppers. I know I certainly enjoyed doing it myself. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and as always guys, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the great content coming up in the future. As always guys, please stay safe, take care, many thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.